So I took the cane from the blackberry bush and I put it down to the ground, held it down with a brick. Last growing season, last year. And now, as you can see, it has turned into another plant. I'm going to cut it loose. Cut the cane loose from the other bush. Remove my brick. There. Just like that. You have another raspberry bush. So if you want to try that trick sometime, might help you. Save you a little bit of money, then you'll have a new one. I've recycled a bunch of these nails that came out of these pallets. You can see they actually have like a twist on them. Screw threads, not sure, rifled, not sure the proper terminology, but when they nail them in the pallets, they use an air gun and they screw themselves down in there. And I've saved a lot of these. There's a bunch. Probably have 10 pounds worth of these nails. Recycle a bunch of these, or reuse a bunch of these nails where I can. Right now I'm working on the corner trim. I've already got these pieces stained. I'm just going to nail them in place. And I'll go back where this gap is, caulk it. That should give me a pretty good corner. Looks better anyway.